So we can see it's faulty if we turn it off. Let it go down for a second. It's just holding charge for a bit.
Yeah, I know.
We'll let it drain. I'll just pull the power out of it. And it's just taking a while to drain. Anyway, it's faulty regardless. You can see the
Yeah.
red.
Yep.
But
Oh,
if
I'm
we-
just gonna.
Yeah, if we take that out, we'll put it back in, keep recording. Yeah, it fails straight away.
Yep. Fault right there.
Yeah, so it's definitely faulty. So let's flick it back on.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, it fails
Fault
immediately.
immediately.